Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Pikachu. All right, you guys, so what we got going on today, plant-based egg rolls. And then we have some jjajangmyeon right here. Then we got some vegan, what do you call this stinky stuff? Kimchi. Then we have some dipping sauce for the egg rolls. Let's begin. I hope you guys are doing great. It's been a long time having egg rolls. Should I say homemade egg rolls? Because I ran through. I ate all the egg rolls that I've made, I think over a month ago. So I gotta make more. But good thing I found these at Costco. These are so small though. These are mini ones. I got like 50 pieces for like, I think it was, I don't know the price, I forgot, but it wasn't that expensive. All right. I am hungry. Noodle looks a bit dry. Whatever, it's gonna work. Okay, let's begin, y'all. Here, I know you guys are starving. You've been eyeing my egg roll for a long time. Go ahead, take a bite. Oh, wow. Costco got some good egg rolls. The fillings are vegetable. That's good. Well, the box says to air fry these or put them in the oven. Instead, I just fry them up. That is delicious. Okay, let's dig into this black bean noodle. Okay, all right. Calm down, y'all. Oh. You like that suspension bridge? Here, let's do it again. We'll call this one the Tacoma Narrows Bridge. That was the inner burp. These are so flavorful. You guys, one thing I don't know much about kimchi is smells really bad, and I don't even know if it's still good or bad, but it stinks. It's fermented cabbage, so whew, but it's actually good. I mean, how you know if it's expired? Not expired, but going bad. It shouldn't go, well, whatever. I'm thinking like it's fermented, so it's like, ugh. Here we go. Woohoo, spicy. Spicy and good. Let's do this number. Yeah, I'm gonna be buying I'm gonna be buying more of these egg rolls. Forget the sauce. You stink. Go ahead. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna buy maybe 3 boxes because it comes in 50 per box. I think I'm just gonna buy it so that you know, until I make some more, I'll just fry up the one from Costco. I don't have a spoon. Here, you can have the last egg roll. Oh my God, that was so delicious. Those egg rolls were to die for. Very flavorful. As for this, you stink. This is a love and hate relationship. Ooh, excuse me. Ping. Whew, that was good. All right, you guys, thank you so much for having lunch with me. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Click on that bell so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ofatu. You can go. Bye.